I thought I had enough time to take a sip. We are going to review sound now that you finished with sound centers with task cards. And I'm just going to go over the answers with you, and you just answer them. I'll give you a pause. I'll ask the question. I'll give you a pause. You answer them, and we'll go from there, okay? And then I'll tell you the answer. Blank is a form of energy produced and transmitted by vibrating matter. Oops. Correct. Sound. Sound is a form of energy produced and transmitted by vibrating matter. All right. Blank is the amount of energy in a compression wave and is related to intensity and volume. So amplitude is related to volume, okay? Musical instruments tend to blank in order to produce a sound. Musical instruments tend to blank in order to produce a sound. Think about that. Anything has to do this to have sound. It has to vibrate. Thank you, Evelyn. All right. A submarine uses what to measure the depth of the ocean floor? Sonar. Measures sonar. All right. The volume of sound is measured in decibels. Decibels. Guys, you might see these again, so just remember that. All right. Blank is a disturbance moving through a medium, solid, a liquid, or a gas. What is a disturbance moving through a medium? A wave. All right. Sound travels more quickly through this matter. A solid. Good job. The distance from crest to crest or trough to trough in a wave is called the wavelength. So from crest to crest, so from one spot to the next spot, okay, it's a wavelength. Animals like bats and dolphins use what to help them locate food? Echolocation. All right. Ooh, name the part of the wave where the molecules are pressed together. So when they're, and then this is rarefaction. So where they're pressed together is compression. So that is compression. Blank is the number of times an object vibrates in any given period of time. Frequency. If it vibrates a lot of frequency, that is going to be a higher pitch. If it's slow, it's going to be low frequency. Sound travels slowly through which state of matter? Which state of matter does it travel the slowest through, I guess? Gas. Name the part of the wave where the molecules are spread apart. So I just sort of answered that for you. Name the part of the wave where the molecules are spread apart. So compression. So when they're spread apart, it is refraction. So when you do this and they sort of get closer, but then they spread apart. So compression, refraction. Compression, rarefaction. Okay, so when they're spread apart is the refraction. Which travels faster, light or sound? Which travels faster, light or sound? Light. Sound is a type of what energy that is transmitted in the form of a wave. So it's mechanical energy, which we've not talked about much, but it's mechanical energy. No. All right, blank is a form of energy produced and transmitted by vibrating matter. Blank is a form of energy produced and transmitted by vibrating matter. All right, this is the pitch, but I don't like the way that question is worded. All right, name the 3 states of matter. Solid, liquids, and gases. Molecules tend to move when traveling in a compression wave. Molecules tend to move backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Backwards. All right, the greater the frequency of a sound, the what? So the more frequency, the higher the pitch. So my voice right now has a really high pitch, and there's a lot of frequency because my sound waves coming out of my voice goes really, really, really fast. All right, sound is a form of what? Energy. All right, so we did those really quickly, but you might see these questions tomorrow. So please make sure that you watch this video and you maybe watch it a couple times to help yourself study for tomorrow. So we're going to have a little quiz on sound, okay? Goodbye.